Whether you're working on a social media post or marketing materials, Pixlr's Mocha Mousse templates and elements have you covered. Just head to Templates in Pixlr Designer, find the Pantone 2025 Mocha Mousse collection, and pick a template you love. Now it's time to make it yours. Double-click the image in the template, head to the left panel, and click Set Image to upload your own. Need to adjust? Double-click again to resize or adjust the image within the frame. Looking to elevate your design? Check out Pixlr's Mocha Mousse sticker elements. Icons, illustrations, patterns, and textures, they're all here to help you create visuals that are totally on trend. Complete your design with some text. Use the color picker to match your text color to the Mocha Mousse palette for a cohesive look. In just a few clicks, your Mocha Mousse themed design is ready, perfect for anything from announcing a new macaron flavor to crafting eye-catching marketing materials. Be Mocha ready with Pixlr. Let's see what you create.